Launched December 2010, KSAT is the first in Europe of a new generation of high-throughput satellites which supports the continuing expansion of digital services both for professional and consumer markets. Fully operating in Ka-band frequencies, KSAT is located at 9 degrees east. It is ideally positioned to provide additional resources to telecom operators, broadcasters and ISPs for data and video services over Europe and the Mediterranean basin. In operation since May 2011, KSAT supplies Eutelsat with a substantial platform for expansion of its two-way broadband service, launched in 2007 on its Hotbird 6 satellite. KSAT's design is spearheading new developments in satellite technology. The satellite is equipped with 82 spot beams, each covering a region of a few hundred kilometers. This multi-spot architecture allows extensive frequency reuse by groups of beams covering distinct regions, hence multiplying available capacity by a factor of 20. With resources of more than 70 gigabits per second, KSAT is the first single satellite to connect over 1 million households to broadband. 900 megabits per second of capacity shared on the forward and return paths are provided for each spot beam. This exceptionally high throughput satellite, in addition to being ideal for internet and point-to-point bidirectional applications in general, is also perfectly suited for local and regional television channels, which are targeting audiences concentrated in a small area. It also enables the management of video and data applications requiring very high bit rates, particularly distribution of HD and 3D digital cinema in push or on demand. The KSAT satellite forms the cornerstone of a major new infrastructure deployed in Europe and the Mediterranean basin, comprising a network of gateways connected to the internet backbone via a fibre ring. Each gateway manages broadband connections between the internet and users via a group of spot beams on the satellite. The complete network will be managed by Eutelsat SkyLogic subsidiary from its Turin teleport in Italy. KSAT opens an incredible new era for broadband access for consumers and businesses located in areas underserved by terrestrial networks. The new two-way compact consumer equipment includes a satellite dish linked to a modem interface with the user's PC. Communications from the user are sent by the dish to the satellite. The satellite forwards them to a gateway, which transfers them to the internet. Communications to the user take the same path in the opposite direction. Through a single dual-feed Ku and Ka-band antenna, connected both to a TV set and a PC, customers have the opportunity to enhance their television experience by receiving programs from additional orbital locations, in particular, the 1,100 channel offer broadcast via Eutelsat's Hotbird satellites at 13 degrees east. Eutelsat is cooperating with Viasat in order to use its advanced Surfbeam 2 technology for the gateways and user terminals. Viasat's technology is already providing broadband connectivity for over 500,000 subscribers in North America. On the back of this strong consumer demand, Viasat will launch its Viasat-1 Ka-band multi-spot satellite for the North American market in 2011. With the deployment of common technology, the KSAT and Viasat-1 satellite broadband programs will enable considerable economies of scale to make satellite internet accessible to a broad number of homes and businesses with speeds and costs comparable to terrestrial networks. With KSAT, Eutelsat is opening an incredible new space to communicate in Europe and the Mediterranean basin. This groundbreaking satellite demonstrates Eutelsat's commitment to propel forward the digital revolution and make broadband accessible for everyone.